Welcome viewers, lovers of mathematics. In today's math class, we shall be taking a differentiation question. And the question is given, y is equal to x raised to power 2 plus 1, all divided by x plus 1 all raised to power 2. Then the question is asking us to find the derivative of y with respect to x. Let us watch the video till the end. Alright. Solution to the question. I am given to solve to differentiate x raised to power 2 plus 1 all over x plus 1 all to the power of 2. Alright, now looking at this question, this is called a quotient rule, meaning it has to do with the numerator and denominator. So it's a fraction. I will go by method of quotient. What it means is that I am going to assign u to the expression at the numerator and then assign v to the expression at the denominator. That means I shall be differentiating y using the formula for quotient rule. That is functions like this that are fractional. Alright? Now, the y dx by quotient rule is v, then du dx, minus u, then dv dx, everything divided by v, all to the power of 2. Alright? Now, diving in, my v, my u is given to me. So I have u given from the numerator, which is x raised to power 2 plus 1. Since in the formula, what I need to differentiate this function is v, u, then du dx and dv dx. I have known u, it is the numerator. I will differentiate u to get du dx. I will differentiate u with respect to x to get du dx. And doing that, I will now have that du dx is equal to 2x. Now, I have gotten u, and I have also gotten du dx. The next thing that I will do is to get my v. And I said that v is the function I have at the denominator, which is x plus 1 all to the power of 2. In order to get dv dx, which I need in the formula, I will differentiate v with respect to x. And doing that, dv dx is equal to, I will differentiate the inside of the bracket, and that will give me 1, multiplied by, differentiating outside will give me 2, into what is inside, then raised to power 1. Therefore, dv dx is equal to 2 into x plus 1, differentiated. At this point, I have gotten dv dx. I have also gotten du dx. I know v, I know u. I will now substitute into the formula for quotient rule, differentiating y with respect to x. Therefore, dy dx, what I have to do now is substitution. v is the one at the denominator, which is x plus 1 raised to power 2. Du dx will multiply v, and du dx is gotten to be 2x. Then minus, I will put u down, and u is the expression at the numerator, which is x raised to power 2 plus 1. Then everything here, it shall be into the bracket. Alright. Now, I have written down the value of u. I will multiply it with dv dx. And dv dx is gotten here to be 2 into x plus 1. Then everything inside the bracket. Then, at the denominator, I have v squared. And v is x plus 1 squared. Okay? Squared multiplied by square will give us to the power of 4. Beautiful. I hope this is very clear. Now, moving forward, I want to use this 2x to multiply this. And that is going to give me 2. I have finished differentiation. What I want to do now is to simplify what I have differentiated to make the answer look good. Now, 2x multiplied this will give me 2x into x plus 1 to the power of 2. Then minus, I have into the bracket. If I multiply this, I'm going to get 2 into x plus 1, then x squared plus 1. Then everything inside the big bracket divided by x plus 1 all to the power of 4. If you look at what I have now, you can agree with me that something is common, and that is 2x plus 1. 2 into x plus 1. I can see 2 here and also x plus 1. I can also see here 2 and the x plus 1. I can now factor it out. Factoring that out, what I will have is 2 into x plus 1 is factored out. I have taken this. Remember that x plus 1 is raised to power 2 here. So factoring 1 out will remain 1 inside the big bracket. X is still remaining here. So I have x, then x plus 1. This x and the x plus 1 is this. It is squared here. 1 of x plus 1 has gone outside. And these two, together with this, also has gone outside. Again, this x plus 1 is outside. What I have inside is minus x squared plus 1. Then, everything inside the bigger bracket divided by x plus 1 all to the power of 4. Beautiful. We are looking for dy dx in a simplified form. Now, looking at this, I have at the denominator x plus 1 raised to power 4. I also have at the numerator x plus 1. If you don't mind, if I cancel one of the x plus 1 here, it will remain 3. Okay? So this one can now go. Meaning that I can now have 2. This is 2 into, I can open this bracket to get x times x is x, and the x squared rather. Then x times 1 will give me x. Also, if I open this bracket with the negative sign, I will have minus x squared minus 1. Everything all over x plus 1 now to the power of 3, because I have cancelled one of it and the 4 has reduced to the power of 3. Now, we can also see what I am seeing. You know, maths is life, maths is sweet. Okay? Remember to subscribe to my channel and also like my videos. X raised to power 2, we cancel out minus x raised to power 2, leaving me with dy dx as 2 into x minus 1 all over x plus 1 all to the power of 3. Final answer. Thank you for watching this video to the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and may God bless you.